In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Shopify payment gateway. This is an essential step for anyone running an online store and looking to streamline their payment processes efficiently and securely. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, let's navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, you'll see several options to choose from, but for setting up your payment gateway, we're going to focus on accessing the payment settings. Head over to the Settings tab. You'll find it in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Payments. This is where we're going to configure how your store accepts payments. Now that we're in the Payments section, the next step involves activating Shopify Payments. You might be wondering, why Shopify Payments? Well, it's one of the most straightforward and integrated ways to handle transactions on Shopify, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Within the Shopify Payments section, there's an option that says Complete Account Setup. By clicking this, you're initiating the process to get Shopify Payments up and running on your store. This leads us to the crucial part, where you need to provide your business details. It's essential to accurately enter this information. Shopify will ask for specifics like your business name, address, and importantly, your bank account information. This is where your payments will be deposited, so double-check that everything is correct to avoid any delays in receiving your funds. Make sure to have these details at hand before you start. A point worth emphasizing is the security of your account. Shopify takes security very seriously, and so should you. One of the ways to protect your account is by enabling two-step authentication. This adds an extra layer of security that significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. Enabling two-step authentication is simple. Go into your account settings, and you'll find the option there. By setting this up, anytime you or anyone else tries to log into your account, a second form of verification will be required. And there you have it, folks. You've now learned how to integrate Shopify Payments into your store. This process not only sets up a reliable method for handling transactions, but also ensures the security and trustworthiness of your e-commerce site. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for smoother operations and focusing more on growing your business rather than worrying about payments. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on mastering your Shopify store. Stay safe and happy selling.